Hello and welcome. Intro video for free step-by-step SEO training course for 2024. I've created a brand new course. Main reason is because RankYa followers who have been sporting RankYa is saying, you know what, Google is making major changes and the course that you have on SEO is rather outdated. And they're right. So therefore, I've spent time, energy, effort, and created a brand new course whereby I will guide you step by step so that you can learn how to optimize your own website so that you can get better results from Google search. Now, if you've read anything about SEO, I would encourage you to look at this particular training course from a new perspective, so to speak. Reason being, there is a lot of misinformation regarding search engine optimization. If anything, what you want to understand Google guidelines. All the insights I will share with you, you can use confidently, knowing that RankYa techniques are guaranteed to be within Google guidelines, okay? Now, I will not cover keyword research in this training course because RankYa website and RankYa YouTube channel has already tutorials for conducting keyword research. But what I can tell you is the tools for keyword research, there is only two of them. One is Google search box and the other one is Google Ads keyword planner tool. Now, you do not need to advertise with Google Ads for you to be able to use keyword planner tool. But it is a very powerful tool, and in terms of search engine optimization and understanding the target keywords that you should select, you kind of have no choice but to use keyword planner tool. So I'll just show you where the keyword planner tool is. When you're logged into Google Ads, on the left hand side we hover over tools option, then under planning menu tab here we can press on the triangle icon and use keyword planner tool. We also have different tools here you can explore, but I won't cover them again. So keyword planner basically is a tool for you to type some industry keywords within it, or you can actually provide a website link and let Google suggest the keywords that it analyzes and suggests for you to target. Okay, let's get results for SEO training course and SEO lessons. Okay, we can always go back and remove or add more keywords, okay? So, as I've said, I won't cover keyword research, but rather tell you this. When you select target keywords, do not be discouraged by the competitiveness of target keywords. Ideally, what you want is you want to create a keyword list. And when you do that, understand that keyword one, as an example, just a single word, compared to two words, this will be more competitive to rank than this one. Or if it's a three-word keyword, it's in 3 words, this will be easier to rank than 2 words. So when you think of search engine optimization and keyword ranking, have this knowledge in mind. Next, the Google search box. Let's say SEO training as an example, SEO training course. Let's do that. And here, search box itself, gives you suggestions. You can say A, B, C, and so on. Okay. And also for 2024, the search results, particularly for mobile device usage of Google Apps, is giving us option for people also asked. That is very important for you to glimpse at, because in this training course we will see that creating helpful, reliable, people first content, this knowledge, as in, creating content for people, means if people are asking Google questions, then it's our job to answer it. So therefore, let's imagine I was to target SEO training course and rank them. Then the content that I create, can it have this type of question answers type of content? Because it is related to these search patterns here. Okay, as I've said, if you manage your own website, the only tools that you need is Google Keyword Planner tool and Google Search Box. If you are an SEO agency perhaps, and you're thinking, okay, I want to learn SEO, I want to optimize my clients' websites, then there is one more tool that you may consider using if you offer SEO services per se, and that is backlink analyzers. I use Majestic SEO backlink analysis because it is very thorough compared to other tools. Okay, so as I've said, you keep your money in your pocket, use Google Search Box and Google Keyword Planner. So what I will cover in this course is take you step by step and show you what you need to focus on for search engine optimization of your website, so that you can get better results from Google search results in 2024 and beyond. I thank you for learning with RankYa, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.